Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin update today. So Dogecoin has been pretty good so far, but the thing is that I think it's time we take a little bit of a break here, and everyone is very bullish on Doge and trying to enter Dogecoin right now. So on the 4-hour time frame, I just want to warn you that of course Doge is going to be making some bearish divergence here, and you can see that as you are pumping to the upside, you're losing momentum on the RSI. Always consider the RSI. I mean, the RSI is a very simple but yet very powerful tool as well. Now, if Doge is not enough, I'm going to combine two things for you, and I think having a correction down is going to be super healthy. And if you do that, number one, I want to tell you how much you're going to retrace. So from this bottom to that impulsive move to the upside, it does look like the golden ratio is going to be where you come and retrace, which is going to be 0.1675, and I think that can actually be another local bottom retracement. Okay, so I'm just going to put in the mark here, 0.166 or something like that. So we have a price technical target that we can see Dogecoin coming down to, which is down to that golden ratio, and this will also be another retest and then probably start another impulsive move similar to what happened right over there. And also on the 1-hour time frame, I'm pretty sure that you will notice that the 1-hour time frame bearish divergence is very clear. So if I do bring in this, you can see that it's actually moving to the downside. So it's very clear. It's really clear that the sell-off is happening and you're pretty much overpumped to the upside. Now combine this with what Bitcoin is doing, and it's going to be pointing that things are about to correct to the downside, and that is you have this one huge rising wedge, and the rising wedge is actually popping down at the moment, and it does look like we're going to see Bitcoin moving down, which is actually until 72,945. Now my personal take is that if Bitcoin starts to retrace from this point onwards, we can actually check the fib from the bottom here to the top, and it could actually be as a deep retracement as 70,000 as well. So you might want to be careful in this regard. I'm just giving you a heads up, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.